Okay guys, good morning, good afternoon. So, ayan. Hi, let's go. Grabe, maganda maganda. Okay din naman. So, ayan. Talo tayo kanina sa bet natin. Pelicans, money line. So, masyadong tiwala ako sa Pelicans pero nasilat sila kanina. Sobrang kulang sa player, grabe. Pero, muntik na. Dalawa lang yung lamang. Kung kinuha ko yung plus 5, okay, panalo sana. Pero ayun, money line. So, andito na tayo sa Cubs versus Wizards. So, Cavaliers 24-4, 24 wins, 4 losses, and Wizards 3 wins, 19 losses. So, the Cavs, the best team in the NBA today versus the Wizards, the worst team in, I think, in the NBA or in the Eastern Conference Finals. Eastern Conference. So, let's go. Let's see the spread. So, the spread is Wizard plus 16.5. Napakataas. So, 16.5, almost 20. Ah, let's see why. Okay, Cavaliers minus 16.5 and over under 232. So, health and availability. So, we can see the health and availability here. Cavalier injuries. Emoni Bates out. Isaac Okoro questionable. Max Strus out. Evan Mobley out. So, ayan yung injury report sa Cubs. So, konti lang, apat lang silang nasa injury report and questionable yung dalawa. So, may chance na makalaro pero may chance ding hindi. Pero, let's see tomorrow. Pero, malaking bagay itong si Evan Mobley saka Isaac Okoro kung hindi sila lalaro. So, ayan. Wizards injury report. Richuan Holmes, questionable kasi may illness. Sadiq Bey. So, Sadiq Bey galing Atlanta hanggang ngayon di pa rin lumalaro. Kyle Kuzma out. So, Kyle Kuzma, one of their stars, is out. Malcolm Brogdon out. So, siya rin yung isang sa gumagawa pero out din siya. So, Corey Kispert out. Keyshawn George out. Alex Sarr questionable. Tristan Vukcevic out. Patrick Baldwin Jr. questionable. So, ayan, napakarami ng injuries sa Wizards. That's one of the reason why they are way out of their game. They are losing a lot of games, but they have managed to win one from the Denver Nuggets. So, isang malakas din na team. So, let's see. Let's have this helpful fact. This will be the third meeting of the season. The Cavaliers defeated the Wizards 118-87 just 10 days ago in Ohio. Additionally, the Cavs defeated the Wizards 135-116 in DC. On October 26, 2024, the Cavs won 10 games in a row against the Wizards, including 6 in a row at home. Things have started to slow down for the Cavaliers. Unfortunately, injuries have popped up again, and this has been showcased that the Cavs have depth issue. They might need to address it in a trade down the line. So, kailangan nila ng trade. Pero, sa palagay ko naman, walang magiging problema yung Cavs. Ang magiging problema lang nila is yung plus 16.5. So, hindi nila problema yon. So, problema yun ng better. Kung talagang susupport sila sa Cavs. Kung makikita naman natin, talagang kaya. Kayang-kaya talaga yung 16.5. Pag itong Wizards ang kalaban, napakahina ng depensa ng Wizards. Sila ang pinakamahinang depensa ngayon. Ang pangit ng laro, pero nagpakita sila ng flashes of brilliance against Joker and the Denver Nuggets. Kung mailabas nila yon, maybe may chance. Pero napakaliit para sa akin. Moneyline Cavs. Pero yung plus 16, so ayan, final pick. Plus 16.5, parang napakalaking plus. Napakalaking plus nun. NBA to, mga pro. All of players here are pro. So, bakit ka magbibigay ng plus 16.5? Masyadong malaki. So, for me, Wizards plus 16.5. Ang tawag doon, courage bet. Have courage to the NBA players. So, kahit hindi sila mga stars, pero they still are professional basketball players. That's why don't never underestimate them. So plus 16.5 masyadong malaki for me. So Wizard plus 16.5. Then over 232 dahil nga hindi ganoon kalakas yung depensa ng Wizards. Tapos number 1 sa offense yung itong Cavs. So ayan, over tayo 232. Paminsan nakikita ko rin medyo pagtambak na yung kalaban ng Cavaliers, pinagbibigyan na nila makapuntos. So, over 232, medyo para sa akin, madali yan para sa dalawang team. Mabilis yung face nilang dalawa. So, that's it guys. That's, again, Wizard plus 16.5, over and under, over 232. That's my prediction for this game. Thank you. Nasipon ako.